All our eyes are on the rain this week. I know I'm ready for it.
I know.
We need it.
We do, yes.
We need it. I know, whether you like it or whether you don't, we need it. We are, of course, still dealing with moderate, severe, even exceptional drought conditions statewide. So, yes, we will time that out for you in just a second. Let's go to Orange County to start off the day. Of course, we are feeling temperatures nice and chilly to start off the day in the 40s and 50s. Heading into this afternoon, we'll feel temperatures rise into the lower 60s. So temperatures will be below average this afternoon, and look for clouds to stick around. And it is possible we pick up a little bit of light rain and drizzle as we head into this evening. That is ahead of the main system that is expected to impact us Thursday night and into early Friday. So let's time this out for you as we head into this afternoon and into this evening. Here's 7:30. We're seeing some very light rain along the coastline into some of our foothill communities. That activity will increase as we head into the overnight hours. And then here's the main cold front. So this is 4:30 in the afternoon on Thursday, and we are seeing rain developing over Santa Barbara County, Ventura County, pushing into Los Angeles as we head into Thursday night. This activity is going to continue into the morning hours, so right in time for your morning commute to work on Friday. The system moves out of here. We'll have a brief break from activity, and then rain chances will be back in the forecast as we head into late Saturday and into Sunday. Now, we're still looking at the timing for the second system, so this is something that we'll continue to monitor. Otherwise, we will have drier conditions as we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week, and the cool temperatures will continue for the foreseeable future. So we're talking temperatures in the 60s. Partly to mostly cloudy day today, patchy drizzle and light rain possible as we head into this evening. Temperatures in the 60s today, temperatures in the lower 60s as we head into Thursday, Friday. And with rain developing Thursday night into early Friday, we will still have a slight chance for some showers on Saturday, but for the most part, we will see that rain start to redevelop as we head into late Saturday and into Sunday. Dry on Monday and Tuesday with cool temperatures sticking around for the first half of next week. Along the coast today, look for temperatures around 61 degrees, high desert locations, more sunshine, upper 50s. Temperatures drop to the lower 50s tomorrow with that chance of rain developing Thursday night into Friday and then again on Sunday.